the blush binder. My carpet is soaked in here, like soap. Looks like it's coming from right back there. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. If it's your first time here, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you get all the alerts when I upload new videos. So today is Monday. So my days offs are Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So this is my weekend. So you guys are seeing my weekend vlog basically. Just putting on my sneakers. Start this vlog off with me working out. I slept in this morning for a little bit. Not really, I still got up around 10 o'clock, but I kind of just laid in bed for a bit. I was gonna do my workout later on this afternoon, but I was like, you know what, the sun is not on the balcony just yet, so I'm just gonna do the workout now. I know I look rough. Your girl needs to wash her hair. If you guys have any tips for me on just maintaining your natural hair while working out, let your girl know. I'm supposed to wash it today. I don't know if I'm gonna wash it today yet because I have some errands and some stuff to do. So I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me. So let's go. So that workout was amazing. Your girl is drenched again, all right, soaking wet. I'm about to go shower. I have to go to BJ's, so I might just take you guys along with me to BJ's. I only go to BJ's once a month to get like household stuff. I'm gonna take you guys along. I don't know if I'm gonna fully vlog, but we'll see. All right, see you guys in a bit. And right now it's 12:52, so day's getting a slow start, but it's starting. All right, let's go. Guys, your girl overdid it, all right? Got everything in here. Completely overdid it.
Still have you on my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time. You can say.
So I'm about to go see what the damage is and then head home and take care of unpacking all this stuff. Hey guys, so I just made it back to the car and y'all, it's about to storm. It looks kind of bright, but it's not. It's dark. Super dark. There you see it? So unpacked that cart so fast and put everything in the damn car so quick. I wanted to go to Ulta to return something, but your girl is heading straight home. I'm not even playing them type of games today. Talk to you guys when I get back home. So y'all, I was just about to come do my closet, finally do my closet, and I discovered water. My carpet is soaked in here, like soaked. You guys hear that? Soaked. So I gotta get all my stuff out of here so they could come and find out what the hell is leaking. My laundry room is on the other side of this wall. I don't know if from that, I don't have no clue. And my bathroom is on this side of the wall. I don't have no idea where it's coming from. But I gotta get my stuff up and out of here so that they can come in and figure it out. Keep y'all posted. Y'all, look at my closet now. Maintenance just came, took the carpet out. They said they'll be back tomorrow. Right now it's 10:30 at night. So guys, I know I look crazy. Maintenance just came and took out the wet, like, I don't know what you call that, the padding under the carpet. They didn't really troubleshoot. He just said, oh, it's coming from the shower, and turned something. And now they have the blower in the closet and they're gonna see if the area gets wet again. They only stayed a half an hour. I just want this done and over with. I don't really want anybody here when I'm not here. So right now it's almost 11 o'clock. So a pretty slow start. I'm so tired. I was up so late last night. just like on my computer and stuff, so I'm tired, my eyes hurt. Y'all, I decided to get some laundry done, and now I'm seeing water coming in into the closet. It looks like it's coming from the washing machine. All of this is wet. Looks like it's coming from right back there. So yeah, I just gave them a call back, and I'm gonna see how long they take to get here. That whole shower being the problem sounded like garbage to me anyway, but whatever. All right, talk to you guys later. I see the water expanded. The entire wash load is over. However, maintenance thinks that it's coming from next door, the apartment that I share this wall with. Guys, I feel like my whole day is a wash out. I have all the stuff from the bathroom that I had like under the sink, products and stuff, sneakers and shoes, and then of course my craft container, and this bag has shoes in it as well, and shoe rack is next to the couch. I might just go ahead and take this time to like really like declutter what goes back into the closet, as far as getting rid of shoes that I don't wear, will not wear again, clothes that I'm over, that I'm not gonna wear again. I don't really know what else I'm gonna be doing today. I still gotta work out. I need to have some type of video to put up tomorrow, but your girl has no water. He took the plumbing off. He didn't even say that he was gonna take the water off. No water. No water. Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm outside. I'm about to work out. Right now it's 7:10. People, the maintenance people, they're still here. They're actually next door. I haven't seen them in like 2 hours, so I just locked my door and they'll just have to knock. But I know they're still next door because I went to the mailbox. And this is from the Crayon case. So I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing with you guys. I've been waiting for this palette. I stayed up all night. Well, not all night, but I stayed up so I can order it. And I got it before it sold out. Case package. Yeah. So it just has black paper, my invoice. So it's in bubble wrap, really nice. Y'all, the blush binder. Well, I wasn't expecting it to come like super sealed like this, but can't wait to create a look with this. Oh my gosh. All right, so you open it up. Has a nice protective plastic over it. So this is the colors on the first sheet. The back. And then this is the colors on their second sheet. Nice little notes on the side. Cute. Cover that back. And here's the last sheet. Pretty matte colors, y'all. Can't wait to dive into this. And do you guys see the size of these pans? How huge these pans are? Huge pans. Can't wait to create a look with this. This came out, I believe it was August 7th. Yeah, August 7th. And I did order some more things from them, so whenever that comes, it says it should come Thursday, so I'll do an unboxing with those items too. Can't wait to dive into this. I'll probably do a look with this tomorrow. I'm just putting this back up. I'm about to get this workout in. Today's day number 9, and it will be easy for me just to say, you know what, just not work out today. But no, I'm gonna work out today. I'm gonna work out every day for these 21 days. So you guys might hear a little thunder in the background. I don't know why Florida is like that. It's like so freaking bipolar. It could be raining over here and over there it's sunny as hell. Like, y'all, you know you big when it's hard for you to put on your shoes, alright? And I want to wash my hair tomorrow too. And tonight I plan on recording a video just talking about a lot of racism that's been going on in Trinidad. Not a fan, not here for it. So look out for that video. That video should be out before this vlog is out. I'm gonna put that video up tomorrow. So I'll actually link that up in the cards so you guys can go watch it. Just pretty disgusting what's been going on since the election. So look a mess. It was a really good workout. Drenched, out of breath, all of that. Gonna go take a shower and I'll see you guys in a bit. Good morning. So on the balcony again, I'm about to work out. It's 11:51 in the morning. Putting on my sneakers. I just cleaned off some weights, some old weights that I had, because today is upper body. Just an update on the closet. There is no update. So I want to run some errands after I work out. Right now it's 12:37, so hopefully I can be out the house by 1 o'clock and be back in the house by 2 o'clock for the latest. Yeah, all right y'all. Guys, so I'm in the car. Guess what time it is? Y'all, it's 1:30. Told you guys your girl is always late. But anyway, I'm gonna head there and just head back really quickly. And also they're not working on the apartment next door. So on my way back I'm gonna call the management building. I'm gonna call the management company and find out when they're gonna come back and replace the carpet in my closet. So I washed last night and I didn't see any more leaking. And of course I showered last night and today and I didn't see any leaking. So I think the leaks are all taken care of, and maybe it was coming from the neighbor. I'm gonna call them and see if they could come today and put the carpet down. That would be great. I'm gonna start sorting out clothes. I need to do a garbage pile, a key pile, and a pile that I can give away. I want to change up my look, change up like how I dress and stuff, a little bit more mature. But I always say that, but I just like certain things, you know. That's probably going to be next week's vlog because this week is just about done. So I'm just going to continue focusing on the road and I'll hit you guys back up when I get to Alta. Alright guys, so I'm back in the car. That Alta did not have the gel, so I'm going to another Alta. It's only like 3 miles away, but I need to be home, you know. It's 1:57 right now. It says I should be there by 2:10. So hopefully I can get there and get back home by 2:30. I was gonna go to Target, but I'm not even gonna do that anymore. I'm just gonna try to head over there now. Okay, now the GPS says I should be there by 2:06. So let's see. I really wish I had called first. I did check online last night and it said that they had it in stock. I probably should have checked again this morning. I don't even know if this product is even worth all this hassle. I'm about to go into this Alta and get what I gotta get and get out. Alright y'all, so I was able to get that exchange and heading back home. It's 2:15, so let me see if I can make it back home in 15 minutes. I doubt it, but we'll see. Alright guys, so I'm back home. I just saw my neighbor. He said that they just came to pick up tools, but nobody's working on his apartment currently. I called them twice and I left a voicemail on the second time because I need my closet fixed. So right now I'm about to just wash my hair, get that process started. Let me show you guys what I'm using. I'm using the TGIN rose water line. All right guys, so I just finished washing my hair. It's air drying right now. Hey guys, I'm editing this video now and I just realized that I did not close this vlog out. So I'm taking this time out to thank you guys for rocking with me for this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
All who did not know me when I done, they gon' know the name. Million people coming down, dancing to a song.